What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe, and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We've just hit 20k subscribers, so thank you all so much. Let's get to 30. Check out all the links in the description. Thousands of dollars of free crypto down there, along with signals, COINCALLS, TA, alpha and memes in our private Discord, accessed by signing up to our Patreon. You can also sign up to our brand new Udemy course for serious investors, where we've just released our Basics of Technical Analysis course. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So just taking a quick look at Verasity here, and as we can see, still looking super good on the macro time frame. With that massive pump, didn't we, at the start of the bull run? Big correction, another big pump up to a new all-time high at around 9 cents. We've had this big correction down to around 2 cents, where we've been consolidating for some time here. You can see on the hourly time frame we've been putting in another range here. On the daily, you can see stuck under that RSI downtrend, just like Bitcoin has been, but it looks like Bitcoin might be breaking out of that today, which is very interesting to see. But you can see quite clearly here that Verasity, it's been getting down towards those very oversold levels. As you can quite clearly see on the daily time frame here, we have been skirting in and around this oversold, very oversold area for some time here. And you can see the last time we were down in these areas, this was where we got that big bounce, wasn't it? And we're looking similar for Bitcoin now, we'd say. We got down to those COVID crash level areas at the March 2020 crash, which was absolutely insane to see. We're getting very oversold, and not much has actually happened. The stock market's obviously been selling off and dragging Bitcoin down, but there's not actually been that much going on in terms of a black swan event. Everyone knew the kinds of things that were coming. You can see the volume also increasing for Verasity here, which is really good to see. But overall, Verasity being led by Bitcoin right now, but obviously with its own targets and its own TA to do. You can see, as we said, this downtrend for the RSI, we need to see this coming up and being retested. So we could see ourselves coming back up towards that resistance we're stuck under and retest the resistance on the chart and the RSI at the same time. Also, one thing to note, the histogram here looking very promising as well. You can see we're making higher lows on the histogram, the momentum to the downside decreasing, but the price action still coming down. So fair to say we've got some very tasty bullish divergences in that regard as well. On the hourly time frame, you can see we've just been coming down in a series of ranges, just like with Bitcoin. We formed a range here, we fell through the bottom, formed a range here, tested resistance, fell through the bottom, consolidated, came up, tested resistance, formed the range, fell through the bottom, come down again, basically another capitulation event here. Every time we test the resistance, we are rolling currently, but you can see we're getting very bottomed out now, and Bitcoin looking very bottomed out as well. You can see here forming some nice bullish divergences as well. If we came down to the bottom of the range, we'd have a very nice pickup off the bottom, probably because of these bullish divergences we're seeing. Momentum to the downside decreasing, Verasity looking stronger and stronger as it does consolidate out these lows in and around this 0.5 area here. You can see that we're kind of just coiling up in and around it right now, forming a bit of a range, just going sideways, trying to figure out what to do. But as always, you can see we do need to come back up to that resistance again to decide if we're going to roll over again, or we're finally going to break it and start heading back to the upside. So basically things looking fine for Verasity, just waiting to see what's happening. Obviously waiting to see what Bitcoin does, as it probably will be led heavily by Bitcoin unless something absolutely incredible happens fundamentally for Verasity, a massive partnership, etc. But overall, we'd say, Verasity is still a quality project, just taking its time to play out, and overall still looking pretty good. So just before we do short-term price predictions, we just, as always, want to direct your attention to the free Discord in the description. Go down there and sign up. It takes 10 seconds. We'd really appreciate your support down there, so go down and sign up. You'll get access to a ton of content. We've got an amazing community of over 1,000 people now. We've got a really good passive income community, a really good NFT community. We're posting daily news, daily crypto updates, daily technical analysis. We've got memes. We've got crypto gems. We've got all kinds of stuff in there, basically. So just go check it out because it's free. You might as well sign up, go and hang out in there, talk to some people, learn some stuff. And then if you do want to get a bit more of an edge on the market, you can sign up to our Patreon. The link is also in the description, where you can get access to our private Discord, this private section of the Discord. You'll get access to daily signals for Bitcoin. You'll get access to alpha for potential 100x opportunities that are just coming out, super high risk. You'll also get access to Maxi Moves, where we'll talk about a bit about the kind of stuff that we're doing in the market personally. There's loads of content in there, so if you want to support the channel, go sign up to the Patreon and become a crypto maximalist today. So With that being said, as always, we're trading in the range, so if we're rolling over, bottom of the range of support at that 1.77 level, heading upwards, that 2.15 cent level at the top of the range. Still looking to head up, retest this resistance at 2.4 cents. And then, as we've always said, beyond that, we really do think Verasity, it's going to be heading up towards these extensions on the Fibonacci once the market does start to play ball, in our opinion. A lot of fundamental news currently being suppressed by the wider market. But remember, Verasity, it got that amazing Bright Cove partnership. It's got that really big tier 1 Huobi listing as well. Tier 1 exchange listing. Lots of fundamental news here. For when Verasity reverses, it could be looking at coming up to that 50 to 20 cent level, maybe beyond in this year. So that's it, guys. We'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with the 4 videos we post every single day. Make sure to join the Patreon or YouTube membership to support us, as well as getting a ton of benefits. Crypto Maximalists will get access to daily signals, coin calls, alpha on new projects, 10x potential cryptos, and insight into our own personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes you beyond, giving you a look at our personal portfolio, super low cap gems, and a 100x potential portfolio, and constant access to us personally as a resource. We're constantly in the Discord posting daily and chatting to members, and we'll be hosting giveaways soon, so come join the community rich in value and content. If you're serious about your education, you can also sign up to our newly launched Udemy course, which comes as standard with the Basics of Technical Analysis 10-part course, which details an overview of everything we do on this channel regarding chart theory, with examples and demonstrations. We'll also be adding multiple times a week to 2 other courses on our Udemy, which will be the Market Psychology and Strategies and Crypto Deep Dives and Ratings courses. These will be constantly updated into the future to provide value to the most dedicated of the community to knowledge and learning. We get continuous questions regarding technical analysis, particular cryptocurrencies, and for advice in certain market conditions, and you'll find the answers to these questions in the Udemy ongoing in the future. This community will be full of the highest quality individuals and is going to be an extremely valuable place to be, in our opinion. If you want to sign up, the link is in the description. Remember, you can also join the public section of the Discord too, totally for free, where we post news, technical analysis, updates on the markets, larger cap gems, and the occasional meme. There's absolutely no reason not to get involved with all that value. Links are in the description for everything we've mentioned here. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.